Hello, and welcome to which of the legendary birds are the best. So type of matchups, Zapdos is the best. Well, out of being doing the rolls, I figure out that all of them suck. Well, Articuno is really good to have a tank. And Zapdos, no, Moltres sucks. And Zapdos goes well as a hard hit and a special attacker. It's so weird that Moltres and Zapdos have the same base special attack. But Articuno specializes in special defense. Me. So let's go into battle. Last three is a chuck them. Let's try Moltres first. Really bad. We have I think called Lazy Kid. Back to Zapdos. Zapdos is living out right now. I will see you. Back to Blaze again. I might make the focus. I live. That is just mean. Blaziken, right? Jesus Christ. I don't have to tick on this stat. But my god. I live with 4 HP. 4 HP, so that means I guarantee that speed. It has a sash. It has a sash. Wow. Now I have like 14 versus yeah. So far, Moltres and Zapdos do the best. I have Air Slash for that. Come on, Hurricane. Some of a beef shark. I'm in a tight pickle. Now I have to pick out. See you, sucker. I try. I'm the goodbye shark. I can get one more ice shark. That is just so neat. I'm forced to use Ice Shard because I can't. And I had to Dynamax my Articuno. Just to live it. Now I can max the Architect. I actually had to. I'm a small beginner. That's just the yeah, so my recommendations are that all of them suck. They all suck. They all suck. Yeah, I couldn't do anything there. They all suck. But my favorite one was Zapdos, and like the Zapdos was the one that played the most role. Yeah, Blaziken's also strong too. Jesus Christ.